Welcome to Unboxing Nature. My name's your host, Animal Insanity. So I just lifted up this nice flat rock and I found something very interesting underneath. Something I've never seen before in my life. And I caught it. I've actually put it in a Roblox box. All right. It's very interesting. This is called the Eastern Worm Snake, or the Eastern Blind Snake, or the Eastern Blind Worm Snake. So when I lifted the rock, I thought, hey, that's an interesting looking earthworm. That's the type of worm we might call a nightcrawler. Then I looked at its skin more closely and realized those are snails. That's a snake. Did a little internet research. The beauty of smartphones, and found out what it was. They can actually burrow into the soil. That's why we almost never see them. They do eat insects, and they eat earthworms. But this is indeed a snake. It is said to be blind. You can see its head, its mouth, and eyes. But the internet says there's transparent scales over the eyes. This is an adult. They only grow to be about 5 to 9 inches. Kind of cute. Let's hold him up one more time. And then I'll put him right back where I found him. And I bet he'll burrow into the ground. Snake insanity. They're, of course, non-venomous. So he's blindly looking for his burrow. I suspect this is it. See these little holes? Is that your burrow, dude? There's little holes in the ground. He was right in this area when I lifted the rock. All right. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rock back exactly where it was and just let him crawl back under the rock. Make himself or herself comfortable. All right, we'll say goodbye to the eastern blind snake, the eastern worm snake. Later.